You're my life's one miracle. Everything I've done that's good, and you break my heart with tenderness, and I confess it's true. I never knew a love like this till you. You're the reason I was born. Now I finally know for sure, and I'm overwhelmed with happiness, so blessed to hold you close, the one that I love most, though the future has so much for you in store. Who could ever love you more? The nearest thing to heaven, you're my angel from above. Only God creates such perfect love. When you smile at me, I cry, and to save your life I die with a romance that is pure heart. You are my dearest part. Whatever it requires, I live for your desires. Forget my own, your needs will come before. Who could ever love you more? Oh, there is nothing you could ever do to make me stop loving you. And every breath I take is always for your sake. You sleep inside my dreams and know for sure. Who could ever love you more? I pray you'll be mine and watch her where she goes, and help her to be wise. Help me to let go. Every mother's prayer, every child knows. Lead her to a place, guide her with your grace, to a place where she'll be safe. she finds your light and holds it in her heart as darkness falls each night. Remind her where you are. Every mother's prayer, every child knows. Need to find a place, guide her with your grace. Give her faith so she'll be safe. Lead her to a place, guide her with your grace, to a place where she'll be safe. In my daughter's eyes, I am a hero. I am strong and wise, and I know no fear. But the truth is plain to see. She was sent to rescue me. I see who I wanna be in my daughter's eyes. In my daughter's eyes, everyone is equal. Darkness turns to light, and the world is at peace. This miracle God gave to me gives me strength when I'm weak. I find reason to believe in my daughter's eyes. And when she wraps her hand around my finger, heart puts a smile in my heart. Everything becomes a little clearer. I realize what life is all about. It's hanging on when your heart has had enough. It's giving more when you feel like giving up. I've seen the light is in my daughter's eyes. In my daughter's eyes, I can see the future, a reflection of who I am and what will be. And though she'll grow and someday leave, maybe raise a family, when I'm gone, I hope you'll see how happy she made me. For I'll be there in my daughter's eyes. How happy she made me. For I'll be there in my daughter's eyes.
mo ani le ama ha chau kha na tinge ti ama ha chau nge ti